Welcome back, everyone. It is our second Easter bow. This one is a Peeps, snap clip type situation. I will explain, I had to go down a little bit of research on this. This is for this back where it's got the one hole. See right there. That one is just for snap clips. She did include in the template one that has two holes, and you are able to use alligator clips with it. Obviously this one's too big because I don't plan on using alligator clip with it, but it is designed so that you could, in theory, put the alligator clip through it. I did not look into too much on how to do that. If you guys would like a tutorial on how to do this with the alligator clips, let me know. But for today, we are just going to be doing snap clips, so I will not be using the two hole one. We will be focusing on the solid and the one hole on the templates. And I have three. I have three of these to do with you guys. I will probably be doing two of them off camera and then coming back. But these are the snap clips that I'm going to be doing. What you're going to need for this is obviously your glitter canvas or faux leather, scissors. You are going to need a glue gun.
A few moments later.
Sorry about that. My camera battery died. So you're going to need scissors, glue gun, templates, the faux leather and glitter canvas of your choice, and some pom-poms. I have smaller ones, but I don't think they're too small for these. So I am using the big puffy pink ones. And the reason why you want those is because they are going to glue on the back as a little tail. So I did these two while I was waiting for my camera battery to charge. So these are the pieces. You have the back, the front, and the clip. That's really all that is involved in this. And of course, the little pom-pom. What I like to do is I like to get the clip in on the back, get it centered and just where I want it, and then I tack the clip down just so it doesn't shift while I'm gluing everything else together. I do it right here, and I also tack up here just a little bit because this is a very tiny area. But just two little dabs of glue holds the clip into place while you're doing the rest of it. Now, you're not going to want to glue the entirety of this piece. You're going to want to do it in stages. You are also going to want to make sure that you fill it in with glue. So, I'm going to glue the head and the ears down first. And because I put way too much hot glue there, I had some spilling out. That's fine, we can clean that up later. So once your pieces are lined up, you want to press down on them just so that they stick together. And the easy way to clean this up is just to run a lighter over the glue that has spilled. And it melts right away and you can wipe it up. I have apparently cut my pieces a little crooked, but that's fine. We can trim them up. And you're just going to run hot glue around it, making sure that once you push down, everything is going to be fully adhered. Make sure to press really good if you have been a little crooked with the cutting of the pieces, I was, because I hand cut my pieces. If you have a newer Cricut, you can cut this material out with the Cricut. I have a Cricut Explorer Air 2, which does not cut this material. So it is a cut by hand sort of thing. All right, once you are done evening up the pieces, you are just going to put a little dollop in the center of the bottom. Just the dollop. And then take your little pom-pom and push it down. And just hold it there for a minute. Just so you know it sticks. And there you go. You have a little Peep Easter Bunny snap clip, or if you're like me and went completely extra, you now have 3. These are actually, I think, going to end up going to my other niece, Kinsley, because she needs hair accessories for Easter as well. So there we go. This is the Easter Bunny snap clip from Miss O Designs. I think I forgot to tell you guys that, but this is another one from Miss O Designs. Very cute, very easy to make. You could actually use scraps for this. You don't have to match the front to the back. You could put felt on the back and use scraps for the front. It's up to you. But here we go. If you like this video, please click the like button somewhere in there. Right next to it is the share button. Share this to somebody you think might enjoy it. Over here is the subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, why not? But if you're not subscribed, please click that. And right next to it, right about there, is a little bell button. If you click that, you can set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those in the comment section down below. Materials will be linked as much as I can in the description box below, as well as the template link. Next video we are going to be doing, and I'm excited about this one, is we are going to be making the tumbler straw bows. Let me see if I can bring mine over. Oh, no, I gotta tip you guys up a little bit. Here we go. Hold on, I'm trying to do this one-handed while holding my tripod. There we go. So we are going to be making those bows that go on the straw. It is going to be our first Mother's Day themed bow. So please make sure to come back and check that out. And honestly, you don't need to buy a special template for this bow. I've shown you medium French bows already. That's the template we're going to be using. We're just going to be cutting an extra piece. So it is a free template for you guys, which I'm sure makes everybody happy. So thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you next video when we go over how to make the tumbler straw bow. Yeah, the tumbler straw bow. And I will see you then. Bye.